Well, boys and girls, the Morning Garden Show just showing you a little bit about the garden again. Yes, again. Now these trees are pretty healthy. I want you to get a look at these. I'm going to show you some other trees that aren't faring so well. Um, let's see. This tree is very, very fat at the base, right there. See right there how it moves? That wasn't planted right. That's why. And you see, all of them are tilted towards the right because they're following the sun. All right, let's see what we got here. It hasn't gotten real cold yet. All the leaves are dropped. I showed you all the other stuff up here. That's all the kale is coming up, still coming up. Kale, beautiful, healthy plants. Um, got a tree here. And let's see, collard greens. There we go. All right, that's it. Okay, go back over here. That's another apple tree, and it is really in need of some pruning. It's about 7 feet tall. I'll keep it cut down, and then I got to cut all these other weird branches that are going every which way. Um, it didn't produce anything this year, but it is an apple tree. There's two of them there, actually, side by side. High density planting. Okay, there we go. Let me go over here. We're dealing with, uh, this is a pear tree. Excuse me, peach tree. Got a lot of weeds in it. Got a lot of weeds in it. And then we got another one here. This is a cherry tree. Look how big and burly it is. You just saw when I put it in the ground. It looked like it was thin as a pencil. Now it's as big around as your big person's arm. And I got another one over here. And see all these weeds here? All that's going to be cut back. But right now, they are not a problem. They're going to be food for the plants come spring. And all this at the base of here, you see the wood? That's from clipping that tree down from 20 feet tall, cutting it down and leaving it right at the base. Right at the base. I told you before I don't do it pretty. I just leave it down there and it's just food. So these trees will feed all winter long. And when spring comes, pow, they just jump out and start doing their thing.